Okay, so for this next question, we're going to go back to page 16 and we're going to think about the meaning of a word. Listen as I read you the first paragraph on page 16. An invention that got attention. Remya's washing machine ended up changing her life. Her design won an important competition, beating 25,000 other entries. People were impressed that a teen had dreamed up such a useful invention. Discovery Channel India even made a video about Remya. She was on TV. So we're going to look at this word right here that my cursor is circling. Competition. So a competition is a contest. People compete for a prize. Let's take a look at that word. If my computer would unfreeze. There we go. Compete. So Remya's invention competed with 25,000 other countries. So we're going to start with our base word compete to go up against other people for something. And I'd say she competed with entries from other countries. Competed. So this contest was called a competition. Write this word over here. Competition. So let's look at these three words that we have over here. Compete. It's like battle against someone or other people for something. Competed means to do that in the past. And now we have the word competition. What do you notice about the beginning of these three words? What do you notice about how these three words start? If you noticed that a lot of our base word is at the beginning of our other two words, you are exactly correct. Most of our base word of compete is in the beginning of our other words. Compete, competed, competition. So another thing I want you to notice in these three words, the ending is a little different. So we have compete, competed, and competition. Our first two words are verbs. Competition, adding that T-I-O-N, changes our base word compete into a noun. We have a competition, which is a contest. So now I'm going to write one more word up here using our base word compete. Anyone tell me what that word is? There are 4 syllables. See if you can clap it out and say that word out loud for me. It starts out a lot the same way as competition. So we have competitive, competitive. So that changes my word into an adjective. Remember, an adjective describes a person, place, or thing. So if I said Remya was very competitive, that's describing Remya. Now, using all of this that you just watched in the video, I want you to think about, what does the word competitive mean? If compete means to go in a contest with somebody for a prize, and I said somebody is competitive, what do you think that means? Type your answer in the next spot.